Doku up against Bradley again, tries to take him on the outside. Bradley comes back. Oh, it's broken for Doku. Chance now for Doku. Oh, he takes a tumble. Looked like a penalty. Chris Cameron has moved. Nothing given. Oh, well, he'll give it now. Haaland saved. Mamardashvili's gone the right way. Big moment. Here's Matheus Nunes. Up goes Haaland! Well, what a way to respond to the penalty miss. You cannot keep a good man down, and City deservedly in front. It's their first corner. Oh, and they've scored from it. Van Dijk tucked it into the net. Oh, the flag's up. The flag's up, it won't count. Robertson in front of the goalkeeper. In such a good half. It's just not quite the scoreline that their players merited. Nico urged to shoot! Deflection in! City now with the kind of lead that their first half players merited. They've been at least 2 goals better than Liverpool. What a moment for him. That's a super goal. O'Reilly in space. Now Doku. What a game he's had today. Doku. Oh, it's just got even better. Pep's 1000th game as a manager. Maybe fitting that on his 100th game for City, Doku scores a beauty. Oh, there's no offside. Salah's through, and he'll surely put Liverpool. He's missed it. Can you believe it? Oh, look at the space. O'Reilly, number 4. No. Over the bar. What a day. The perfect day to celebrate the milestone.